Welcome to the Top English Listening Academy. Today, we have another interesting topic for you. Listen carefully, as this will help improve your English vocabulary. Listen multiple times to tune your ears and brain to English. Thank you and good luck.
Did you know that before staplers, people used ribbons, wax seals, or even pins to hold their papers together? Today, we take this everyday office tool for granted, but the journey of the stapler is anything but ordinary. From royal courts to modern office desks, the stapler has evolved through time, revolutionizing how we organize documents. In this video, we'll uncover the surprising history behind the stapler, its intricate manufacturing process, its impact on the environment, and what the future holds for this small yet powerful machine. So, grab your papers because we're about to staple together the fascinating story of this essential tool. Historical origins. The stapler's origins date back to the 18th century when King Louis XV of France needed a way to bind documents more efficiently. The king's custom-made stapler was adorned with royal insignias, and each staple was handcrafted and engraved. But this was just the beginning. Fast forward to the 19th century, and we see the first real patent for a stapler. In 1866, an inventor named George McGill filed a patent for a small device that could fasten paper using a single-wire staple. A few years later, in 1879, Henry Hale improved upon this design, creating what many consider to be the first modern staplerone that could both insert and clinch the staple in a single motion. Legal battles followed as companies fought for control over the growing stapler market. The evolution continued, and by the early 20th century, manufacturers like Swingline had refined the stapler into the efficient device we use today. Materials and chemistry. So what exactly is a stapler made of? The outer casing is typically crafted from durable plastic or metal, while the internal mechanisms rely on stainless steel to ensure longevity and smooth operation. Staples themselves are usually made of galvanized steel, which prevents rusting and enhances durability. Some high-end models even use brass or copper-coated staples for added strength. The manufacturing process involves precise metal stamping, molding, and assembly to ensure each stapler can handle thousands of uses without failure. Interestingly, some eco-friendly manufacturers now use recycled plastic and biodegradable staples to reduce environmental impact. Purpose and use cases. At its core, the stapler is designed to bind papers together. But did you know it's also been used in industries like bookbinding, upholstery, and even surgery? Yes, medical staplers have revolutionized surgical procedures, allowing doctors to close wounds more efficiently than with traditional stitches. Staplers also play a role in packaging, carpentry, and even artwork. Some creative minds have even used them to create intricate sculptures. Beyond its practical use, the stapler has made its way into pop culture. Remember Milton's red Swingline stapler from Office Space? That little device became a symbol of office rebellion. Environmental impact. Like any mass-produced product, staplers have an environmental footprint. The production of metal staples requires mining and refining, which contribute to carbon emissions. Meanwhile, plastic stapler bodies add to global plastic waste. One major issue? Disposable staplers. Millions of cheap single-use staplers end up in landfills every year. But there's hope. Companies are now designing eco-friendly staplers that require no staples at all, using clever folding mechanisms to bind paper without metal. If you want to be more sustainable, consider using refillable staplers or opting for staple-free alternatives. Every small change counts. Market Deep Dive. The stapler market today offers a wide range of choices. From budget-friendly plastic models to high-end electric staplers, there's something for every need. Brands like Swingline, Boss-Stitch, and Max dominate the industry, producing millions of units each year. Prices can range from just a few dollars for a basic model to over $100 for heavy-duty staplers used in industries like printing and construction. Did you know that Japan is one of the largest consumers of high-tech staplers? The country has even developed silent staplers that make almost no noise when used, perfect for office environments. Inventors' legacy and future innovations. The legacy of early stapler inventors lives on in modern office culture. What started as a royal luxury is now an essential tool found in almost every workspace worldwide. But where do we go from here? Some companies are exploring digital stapling solutions, think paper binding adhesives and laser fastening technology. We may soon live in a world where physical staples are obsolete. For now, though, the humble stapler remains a timeless tool, proving that even the simplest inventions can stand the test of time. Conclusion and call to action. So, what do you think? Have you ever thought about how much the stapler impacts your daily life? Next time you use one, take a moment to appreciate the history and engineering behind it. If you found this video interesting, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into everyday objects, and let us know in the comments what's the most unexpected use of a stapler you've ever seen. Until next time, keep things together just like a good stapler does.